this section, we're going to take a look at what really separates Quix from other Joomla page builders and why it's becoming, the go-to for a lot of designers. So we're going to take a look at the image optimizations. You see here, we have a 0, means that the image is not optimized. And it's very vital that you optimize your images. And we're going to talk about that in just a moment. For SEO reasons, we're going to take a look at the page rank and some of the key features of this thing. So let's go now to the front end. When you go to the front end, you notice that you have the settings. There are 3 key settings on your Quix page builder. So the first one is the page settings. The second one is the SEO. And the third one is to link to a page. And then on the right-hand corner, you have your Quix, your page rank. This lets you know how your page is ranked. It's a really key feature. And then you have your image optimization tool. How do you optimize your images? And then from here, you can also preview what this particular page is all about. So we're going to take a look at those things in this particular section, and I want to help you sort everything out so you can make the best of it.